guys, it's algebra. We're talking about variables today. Variables, woo, page 88. I love variables. Variables basically X, Y, Z, whatever, A, N, they stand for something else. So X really isn't standing for X, it's standing for something else that you're going to plug in for X. So a variable is a symbol used to represent any element of a given set of numbers. And then the set of numbers is the domain of the variable. So basically the domain is all the possibilities of the numbers the variable can be. Okay, a constant is a fixed number. So if you have 3x, then 3 is the constant and x is the variable. So an algebraic expression is the result of performing mathematical operations on variables and constants. Here's an example. If C represents the cost of 1 pencil in cents, what is the cost of 10 pencils? So C is the cost in cents of 1 pencil. 10C would be the cost of 10 pencils. Obviously, if C was a certain number, you just multiply by 10. Sorry. And then you get the cost of the pencil. So here's the domain of C, 5, 10, and, oh, I wrote 17, but down here I wrote 15. I'm going to change that to 15 just so I can keep it right here. What is the cost of the pencils? So if C is 5, then you just multiply 10 times C, so you get 10 times 5, and you get 50. If C was 10, you multiply 10 times C. C is 10, so you get 100. And if C is 15, it's 150. So that's 150, like $1.50 in cents. All right, so I'm going to give you 2 more examples. Write an algebraic expression to represent the sum of 5 and any real number n. Okay, so n is our variable. That's going to be the number. Sum is important because sum means to add. So you want to represent the sum of 5 and any real number. So it's going to be 5 plus, because we're doing sum, and then n. If I asked you find the product, write an algebraic expression for the product of n and 15, product means multiply. So you're going to write, I said 15 and n, right? 15 times n. If I asked you for the difference of some number and 20, the difference of some number and 20 would be n minus 20. Okay? So last example, if the domain of x equals -5, 1/2, 2, and 3, find x plus 9. So the first thing you have to do is say, okay, if x equals -5, then plug in -5 for x. So then -5 plus 9, and then you have to do that out, and you get 9 minus 5 is 4. If x equals 1/2, then you plug in 1/2 for x. 1/2 plus 9 equals 9.5. If x equals 2, then 2 plus 9, I'm just plugging in the 2 for x, equals 11. And if x equals 3, then 3 plus 9 equals 12. Okay, so this is a pretty basic section. You're going to start getting used to how to write the beginning of a section. You don't have to solve anything. You just have to write out the algebraic expression. So you are going to do page 88 and 89, numbers 1, 2 through 23. And 19 through 23 is about properties. I really want you to start understanding those properties. Okay, have a good day.